Okay, I want to make a mosquito net for this window. If you open here, the mosquitoes get in here. So I'm just going to put a wooden stick here, and a stick, a whole frame, and I'm going to put a mosquito net over it. Just so that I can open the window, the air can come in here. Alright, let's see. Let's go. Okay, I bought these wooden rods. It's like square ones. One is 3 meter length, and the other one is 0.8 to 1.8. So I'm gonna cut it. The length of the window is 1.5, and the width is 0.5. Then I bought screws. This is the right length, as you can see. So I'll go right through to the next one. And here's this mosquito net. I bought like a piece of mosquito net. Very strong, durable material. Then I put a stapler over it, fold it over, and staple it in here. Take the screw, and then you take a drill that's a little bit less than the shaft of the drill, and then it's so much easier to, the wood don't split and stuff. So that one will do. Let me quickly show you, yeah. Here's the net, but you're gonna leave enough space. You're gonna fold it over, and then you're gonna put it in there. So you fold it over, and then you put it in there. Then it's strong enough. Fold it, and then you're gonna put staples on here. Okay. Right, when you finish, you make a wedge like this. You take your piece of wood and you cut it like this. Just so when the window that surface in the frame, you just push it underneath and it wedge it up so that it sits nicely, don't fall off. Okay. Now you can see here that fits here nicely here. And then when you finish, you see this wedge here, and you just wedge it in here. Then it's stuck on the top. And it's all nice. So this is your window frame. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.